So I'm going to be using this deep catalytic tray, quite a cheap option, and it's quite a big sort of container. Here in this bulk bag I've got some clay that I dug up when I was digging the pond out, so I'm going to use that as a substrate. That's probably about enough, I reckon. Okay, so then I just rehydrate it. Okay, 2 litres should be enough, I reckon. Yeah, should be alright. That's right, let's leave that for 24 hours. Okay, so this has had a day to soak up the water. Looks pretty good. I've got some of this blood and bone stuff. Alright. Not sure exactly how much you need. Just a fair amount. Very precise. Let's do one more. Alright, I'll just mix that up. Right, just needs a little bit more water to mix it up properly. A little bit too dry. Let's try that. So basically the blood and bone fertilizer will bind with the clay, and then the roots of the water lily will be able to access it, but it shouldn't go free into the water and create algae and stuff like that. So right, I'll just mix that up. Right, I reckon that's probably good enough. Right, I'll go grab the lily. This is the lily I've got. It's looking alright, but the ones that I've put in the catalytic trays, they seem to grow a lot better than the ones in these kidney baskets. So I'm just going to carefully get it out. Bit. Clearly you can see, but the lily is growing in that direction, so you want to plant it at the edge, facing that way. Make sure roots above the gravel that are all going there. Sadly enough. Don't know how easy that is to see. That's kind of how you want it. The lily is coming all the way to there. That's kind of angle. Just put it in the soil left over. This is why I didn't fill it too much, you see. This is just some pea shingle. Just going to be careful of these. Just put them up. Okay, I'll just tangle. Oh, the water's really nice and warm. They kind of like sitting a certain way. Balance themselves eventually anyway. Yeah. That's pretty good. You can see, I mean those were planted at the same time and the difference between those two is ridiculous. So yeah.